Listen. Why, let me tell you, so our producer, them brave. Can you not give me matches inside here? Eh? Make your own candle. This morning's fun stop. We'll be putting our candle making skills to the test by following the steps outlined in this special kit. Here's the kit. We've got colors of, what is Aristan?
Yes.
One scissors, one heme. This, what it are? Applicator.
It's a shaping tool.
Oh.
To move one color of the thing down.
Oh, we knew that.
Through the
We were just checking if you guys knew. And then we have these candle holders, and then we're just going to make magic.
All right.
So, on the mark, pull the cork, drink.
All right.
But Harris, this, look here. Jamila, is this an unjoko?
I use that one there.
But this one, look here.
No, use that one.
Jamila, you know, see the wick is too,
You got to put sand and then put it on it.
I can't, because I can bury it on my done.
I put the sand and then put it on it.
I'm just going to put the sand up to a certain level so that it doesn't cover it. And then see if, oh yeah, if that works. Boy, Harris, why are you messing up people on table like that?
Okay.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we urge you, do not try this at home.
Yes. Simone, you know them have a scissors. Me just say, me
oh, expeditious. This is more expeditious.
Yeah.
How much time on the clock?
Well,
6 all a minute, Jamila. We don't need so much time to do what we're doing. All right, let me follow you. And don't be. Can you see the colors from outside? Ooh, these colors are pretty.
They are.
Pastel-like.
Why my feel says Simone do more at the tabletop than the candle?
Because you are correct. Oh, you pulled them for us. You're so kind. Definitely wouldn't do that for me. Did I put yellow yet? I did. I didn't put enough yellow, I don't think. Oh, these colors are so nice. So we start again with green at the bottom, the base.
I like these colors.
Green, yellow. I don't think my week can take anymore, you know, just produce. One more layer, pink.
That is it.
That is it. So wait, you need this?
Yeah.
Ooh, this is so pretty, Delia Marie.
Is it not?
It is rather.
Yeah.
Oh, yours is so nice.
Yeah. I like that.
I juxtaposed the colors in mine, you see?
Yes.
So you see a little bit
that's
of...
beautiful.
Cheers.
Talk to it, Clive, Ivy.
I don't know if I must like Clive. I don't feel like
it.
I don't feel like mine's is supposed to light. The true by the sun is so near to the hymn.
What kind of light is this?
Oh, wait, that. I feel what?
I don't smoke.
Same. Is it when the flame came up all
I don't know about my fingernail, them very expensive. I mean, I'm gonna make Clive make me burn out my acrylic them. You get it?
Oh, yeah.
I know. One to the regular lighter where you just go so.
Lighter!
Oh, Simone figure it out.
Mine can't even reach, got through by my wick note. Baby, when the bright lights start to fade.
I don't think so.
Anyway, my wick is too low to be lit. Careful, you know, miss. Very smart child. Bright bad. Miss Enid would be proud. Excellent. Now, Harris, we are going in with a bag of things.
Listen. So, we made parfaits and we made candles.
We make sandwiches. We make sandwiches.
Wow.
Don't let me make it.
We made wow sandwiches.
Yes, we did. This was a fun
yeah, that was pretty Jamaica.
We're breaking? Soon come.